This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening, and welcome to session number 20. So, in our last session, we discussed about the how to send a commandlet or an expression result to one file. That file also text-based file only, like TST-based file. The fact we have to remember text-based text-based data, text files, not useful in the PowerShell. Why? Because already I said not useful. Why? Because that files doesn't have a entire file common field separator. If any test file having common field separator, happily we can do that one. No doubt, happily we can do that one. But generally, some way, what is it generally test file will maintain? If you run a command, what it will do? Whatever we have a standard output, black color screen output, standard output, whatever we are getting on the screen, standard output, that will be printed, that will be printed or redirected to file. That is a problem. That's why line number 9 I am saying to you, test files not useful in the PowerShell to do the processing. Processing means filtration, any advanced operations. But the benefit is, the benefit of the redirection operators, if anyone ask you, then it is a disadvantage is there. Why you are referring this one? The great benefit, first one, these redirection operators, I mean, one greater than or two greater than. One is creates always new file. This one always creates a new file. Or already file is exist, it will overrides. Overrides. It will overrides. And then second one is always append the data. If file is not available, if file is not available, it will creates a new file. Creates a new file. But the great benefit, what is your redirection operators can catch or redirect, can redirect success output, nothing but one, and error string, redirection operator 2, warning, and verbose. Verbose means action information. And the next one, upcoming day scripting point, you will understand debugging and variable information. Everything it will catch. All also you can represent with star. That is a great benefit. That's why we have to learn this area. And also we covered one more concept, star null. Immediately you have to call dollar question mark. Dollar question mark is an automatic variable which hold the status of the last command. Status of the last command. Fine. And now 100% I can tell 20 line word, your redirection operators can hold redirect any type of output. Redirect any type of output. That is a great benefit. Even error message also it will catch. But okay, what is the alternative to the redirection operators? Yes, alternative redirection operators is with help of the commandlets. There are out-file, t-object, and out-null. But these commandlets can handles with only success stream only, success stream only. it cannot handle the error output are remaining five. One of them is output. Similarly, how we can use it? First of all, with the redirection operator. With the redirection operator, with commanded. Just I'm providing to you two actions single screen. For example, if you want to redirect this one, just you are giving a.txt. Only success stream only, but this will handle anything. But here, if you want to do the same activity, get hyphen service, out hyphen file path is a parameter, then any file name you have to give it. Anyone you have to give it. Both are same only, sir. Both are same only. No doubt. Both are same only. And even, for example, get process, if I'm using two greater than, it will append, no? It will append the data. It will append the data. Same thing if you want to append the data to existing file, yes, you have to write like this one. There is a one parameter is then append. Same file, second time you are sending another commanded result, that is a process. Same action. This side is a redirection operator, another side is a commandlet. That is the only difference. Okay, practically we will see these things. What is this one? 1 second. I think in morning session I did some activity. Okay, see now I'm going to create one new directory for this total practice. New item name is equals to uh, dump and item type is a directory. Go to the dump, cd dump. Now this is a area have a I'm working here. There is no files in this area. There is no files. Now get service redirecting anything, sir. You are doing any operation here where if an object filter strip dollar underscore or display name is service spelling mistake. That's why tab is not working. Display name is starting with Xbox star. This output I want to send it to one file path a.txt. That's all. It is a test based file only. It is a test based file only, no doubt. It is a test based file only. Get help out file. Get help out file. The out file command let said sends output to a file. Simple answer. Simple answer. Similar to your one greater than operation. Generally, which command output it will send in this expression? My question is very straightforward. Get service command or where get service command output you will write inside of this one. Okay, everything is main command let I will agree with get service. I mean, which command output? Command one output or command two output or which one? There are three commandlets are there. 2 and 3 are helpers to command 1. My state question is which commandlet output it will write inside of the file?
Two.
Second.
It is 2. For example, this commandlet is not generating any output on the screen. I mean, standard output. For satisfaction purpose, I will do one activity. It is printing standard output on the screen is there. Happy. Standard output it is printing on the screen. Okay, if I write out file path a.txt. Now see a.txt is there. Now we have good. Now my question is, if I'm writing here, there is no objects. First point, whatever I'm providing, there is no objects. if I'm giving b.txt, now tell me what type of data is available in b.txt.
First command.
Okay, good. First one. Now tell me, is there any link to receive the input from command 123? Out-type file, is there any direct connection to get service while receiving or sending? Is there any link to from here to here except main commandlet? These will receive via where? Where of an object or not? This is a where of an object, correct or not? Question mark.
Yeah.
Then now tell me, it is not printing anything on the screen. If it is printing anything on the screen, then it will give to here, it will write inside of the file. But it is not printing. File will be created. File will be created. My question is, what is the content we have inside of that b.txt? Yes. Now
Condition
tell me,
contains whatever
okay, my
means
state.
whatever the filter we have done.
No, but there is no objects. Yes, good question. And there is no objects. The filtered output is null, simply null. Sorry. What type of data it will write out of an object? Whatever it will receive from the second command let output. If you execute these two together, if second command let generating any output on the screen, that we are calling as a standard output, that output we are redirecting. Instead of printing on the screen, we are sending to out-file with the help of this pipeline operator. But it is not giving any output. No objects are matched for the given condition. So no error. No error also. Now tell me, what is your expected output? Is it null or not? Empty file or not? See that one?
Mm-hmm.
Is it right or not?
Yeah.
Simply, see, individually it will generating some output. But when you together you are adding, if you get some output, for example, this is output, sir. Which command output? Okay, main command is anything. Main command is anything. If I call this one, which command output if you call this one? Which command output this one? Which command let output this one on the screen? Command let 2 only. Command let 1 already hand over that one. Command let do some action and it is printing output on the screen. Please confirm it, sir. This is important. Okay. For example, I am doing one more activity, one more activity. Stay like name equals to name, like ending with e. Now tell me these output command it one or two or three. Simple. Which
Third.
command output on the screen? Third. Sir, please confirm it. Is it clear about this word? Jai, Sharon, confirm it.
Yeah.
Ajit. Okay.
Third.
Now,
Yes. Yes.
in this way, is there any chance to print? Is it printing anything? No. Even if you redirect to this output to some c.tst, file will be created, no doubt. But output is empty. The output is empty. Simple, no? Very simple. Very simple. No? And next one, appending. Come to the appending operation. So already there is a one file is there having some content, a file. Next time I am sending one more file output to say one more file output I am sending to file path a.txt. If I write in this way, it will override. In this way, it will override. But your target is appending. This is a one. So if I directly if I press this one, will it override or not? Will it override
Mm-hmm.
or not? If I am not using, see, previously get service output is there. Now get process. But your target is You want to store get service command output, get service output. So you just use append. And if you call a.tsc, see that output. Get service, get process is there, and get service also there. Both together added. Similar to this operation is equal to this one. And some more benefits also there with commandlet approach. If already, for example, understand the requirement, I am not sure about the existing files. Not sure about the existing files in the given location. First important, first point. Not sure about the existing files in the given location. First point. Okay, if file is there with same name, for example, I'm trying to send this one, sir. I'm trying to send this output. I'm not sure there in that given location. In the given location, I'm not sure the file is available or not. This with same name file is available or not. I'm not sure. But my requirement is with the same name file is there. I want to get an error. If file is not there, I want to create. I want to create a new file. That is a target. See, is there any helpful component in that way? Is it clear about the question? First point.
Yeah.
Requirement is clear in
Yes.
the
File
given
is not there.
location. Yes, file is. So append is not at all good. Now append means file is not there, it will create. File is available, if it will append. But always I want to write in a new file only. Not need to. If I use append, what will happen? If I use append, already file is there. No, it will add end of the file. But I don't want to like that. Always I want to create a new. While creating a new file in that flow, if file is already there, I want to get already one file is existed. If file is not there, it should create a new file. Now, is there any useful parameter for that?
Um, what if?
No, leave it to these 11 common parameters from here to these are the common parameter 11 common parameters for any commandlet. Leave it this one. We have a very special session is there. I mean, if you take any commandlet that are common, even if you take any commandlet, see that 11 are not, there are not verbose warnings, commonly it is available. Yes or no?
Hmm.
So here clover means override, sir. No clover means no override. Clover, no clover. Clover means generally, clover means in the PowerShell terminology, override. No clover, no override. See, beautiful error. Is it validated or not?
Mm-hmm.
Very clearly saying that one already file is exist. For example, I am giving g.tst. G.tst is not there. Will it create now?
Yeah. It will create.
Yes. Sir, I want to get more details about no clover. Where I can find out this one? I want to work more details.
Get help.
Excellent. Get hyphen help. Common approach, sir. Out hyphen file. Parameter. No clover. Is it clear, sir? That day started. I mean, session 4, 5. That time we discussed this one. Is it fine? Is it
Yeah.
fine? Very basic and interesting one. So, no clover prevents an existing file from being overwritten and display an error message like already file is existed. Interesting one. By default, if file is exist in the specified path, out hyphen file generally overwrites. Without that one, without warning. Simply, without this one, if you use it, generally it will overwrite. Generally it will overwrite. See, sir, any technology, if you don't know how to use it, this is the best one. Even if you don't know anything, just use examples. You are using show window now as of now. Now there is something is there example. Actually, show window having everything. Example, use cases, everything available. It's a big document. Every parameter information is there. See, up and down, everything is there. End to end is there in this, including examples also. Show window is the ultimate one. For example, you don't have the rights of the GUI. Then you can go with the full parameter. Same thing will come in the console, sir. Console. Same thing will come in the console. Same thing, same screen will come in the console. No, sir. I want to get with only examples. Yes, go with the example. Even no need to work with get-help. What is the problem with get-help? For example, if I want to work with get service, if I type get-service, after displaying the help document, where is my current line? Is it end of the file or beginning of the file? Again, if I want to read, definitely I need to scroll up or not.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Definitely I should scroll up. So to overcome that one, just to work with help. Help derived from get-help, but help is actually is a function, sir. This is one of the function derived from get-help only. So what is the benefit if I use in this way? See, coming from the beginning or not? Press enter, enter, enter. Q for pitch. That's all. Wherever you are getting, press enter. If you want to quit Q, interesting or not?
Mm-hmm.
Q for quit at any point. Hmm. Fine, sir. Next one, out-file is there. Generally, what it do? File command receives as an input from the command via pipeline. It will write inside of the file. That's all. Inside of the file, it will write. No story. So similar to this one, there is a one more command that is there. T-object. Similar to this one, extra one more activity it will do. Same thing it will print on the screen, sir. Try to understand. Same thing it will print on the screen. No, try to understand. Try to understand. Try to understand. For example, this command is printing 5 lines on the screen. 5 lines on the screen. 5 lines on the screen. And generally it is printing. For example, if it is not there, it is printing on the screen. Now, for example, now pipeline operator is there. Then what it will do? It will give to here. Then here out of an object is there, no? Directly it will write inside of the file. But now your TF object will do two activities. One is it will write inside of the file whatever it will receive, and same thing it will print on the screen as a standard output, command related to output. Two activities. That is a benefit. So if it is printing to the standard output, can I use one more pipeline? Yes or no? Two activity it is doing. Can I use one more pipeline? Why? Because it is printing on the screen. Is it clear, sir, about the exact requirement? Is it clear? Yes, please confirm it. Oh, practically we will see. Before that one, I'm asking how much level you are understanding by the technical, theoretically. Sir, here out of an object is there. Only it will out of an object is there. What it will do? It will receive and it will write. That's all. If you use one more pipeline, will it get anything? One more question before entering that one. This is a good technically good thing. Here, come back. Like get hotfix out-file file path x.txt. out-file file path y.txt. My question is, what is the data inside of the y.txt? What is the data in y.txt?
Right.
Yes. Sorry. Now tell me, what is the output of the second commandlet in the screen? Second commandlet output.
It's a hot fix.
Okay. Generally, yes. Now give me conclusion. If I'm executing one command, this is the output. If I'm using these two commandlets together, is there any output on the screen?
Mm-hmm.
Is there any output on the screen? Now tell me, in this way, how the y.txt containing the data, is it generating any output on the screen when I using these two together? Is it printing any output?
Yeah.
Is it printing anything on the screen?
No, no, no.
It is not printing anything. Then tell me, what about y.txt? What about y.txt? See, is there any content in y.txt? It
Mm-hmm.
will create but empty. It creates but empty. Is it clear about the requirements? I mean, exact issue? Out file, it won't do anything. Whatever it will receive, it will write. But if you write here t-hyphen object, see the magic? Instead of that one, if I'm writing, first I will delete everything in this location. There is no files. Get hyphen hotfix. T hyphen object file path a.txt. Tell me, sir, what is the output will be created on the file and what will be printed on the screen? TF an object having two natures. Whatever it will receive, two activities it will do. It will write inside of the file and same thing will print on the screen also. Again, what is the expected output? Yes. And see the file cat a.txt. Yes or no? Same content is there or not in the screen and in the file? Yes or no? See, if you open the file, same content is there. Same thing printing on the screen or not?
Yeah.
Simple and interesting one, sir. For where we can use it. See, generally, for example, see, don't get sir, simple, very simple one. Don't get confused here.
Mm.
Third expression also I'm writing. Simple answer. What is the final output of this expression on the screen? Will it print anything? Will it print anything means what is the last command? First you have to check. Out of file will print anything?
I don't think so because it's just
Right inside of
printing
the file.
something.
Absolutely. They won't
Yeah.
print anything. Now tell me, what is the content of a1.txt, a2.txt, a3.txt?
Non-separated field is not there. And separated field, comma separated or uh, I mean separated field is not there when any um, against comma colon is not there in the text. So cannot filter it first of all.
Okay, just I'm giving some numbers. First command, second command, third command, fourth command, here fifth command, sixth command. So I'm just writing one, just write on the step one, two. Please concentrate only 5 to 10 minutes only. Four, five, six. For example, get service generating 100 objects. 100 objects for whom we are handovering. Is it TF an object or not? Second one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So what it will do? It will write inside of the file, and I mean A1, everything get service 100 objects to 100 objects it will write on the file, and same 100 objects it will print on the screen. Am I right up to this area?
Yeah.
Yes. I mean A1 file having complete get service result. Then after this 100 objects will move to third object, and third object what it thought is okay. Third object what it is doing? It is doing some filtration. Filtered objects only it will print. No writing inside of the file. Maybe you can consider 50 objects will be filtered. 50 are the final answer. Where if an object third activity status equal to running. That 50 will be moved to here, but your fourth object is a t-hyphen object. It will write inside of the file, and the 50 will be printed on the screen. This is a A2. Again, this 50 we are handovering to element 5. Object is a where object. It will filter 52. It may be generating 25 objects as output. This 25 again we are providing to sixth element out-file. Now tell me out-file will print on the screen again only write inside of the file only. Out-file. Out-file will write inside of the file. Yes. But will it print on the screen? No. Out-file do only one activity. Am I right? Only it will write inside of the file. Am I right or wrong? Not
Yeah.
create an. See, that's a here 3, 5 is doing the filtration. See that one? And observe the size details. Processing, wait. LS. Comparing A1, A2, A3. A3 is nothing, sir. I think there is no object starting with X. That's why there is no result. I mean, what I'm saying here, there is no result. That's why A3 does not have any content. See that one? There is no objects. I think so. Nah, that is the reason. That's why A3.tst is a zero. Zero. If I change my questions, for example, deb star, maybe something new is there. Some objects are there on the screen. Now see, added some data is there. But see, A1 to A2, A2 to A3 sizes. Observe this one. Observe the sizes completely changed. Completely changed. See, A1, A2, A3. So this is about the T-hyphen object. And one more thing, what is the use of this one, sir? Null. What is the use of null?
Command successful.
Yes, null means no need to print on the screen, no need to redirect to file. Output will not be printed. Yes, Nilesh, correct. And no need to store into file. Similarly, for that, there is a one command that is there, sir. Out hyphen null. That's a, nothing else. Out hyphen null. Similar to that one. There is no difference. Out hyphen null. Nothing. Always it is null only. Nothing. For example, any command is generating any output on the screen. If you want to stop on the screen, generally, if I create a file, hello.txt printing, I don't want to print anything on the screen. Happily, you can use it. Out-file. Sorry, not out-file. Out-null. That's it. It is created. Hello.txt. Now tell me, who is the best one to work with? into all categories. Final conclusion. Hmm. Final conclusion, sir. Who is the best one? Yes, both are important only, sir. Perfect clarity, sir. If you learn all these things, perfect clarity. So still, we need to learn one more component, that is a variables and data types. If we complete this one, we are completed the alphabets. We are good at pre-basics. Now we can happily jump to scripting part for the automation. Scripting part, we can write like based on this knowledge very immediately. I mean, mostly next week, Thursday, I think Thursday or Friday, we are going to start the mini project. We are going to start the mini project also. So scripting, that is different, sir. Whatever we are writing on the single line, it is difficult one. But if you develop the same thing on the scripting, yes, we can write like 100 lines of scripts here. Just a matter of simple logic only, sir. Simple logic. I think this is related to. This is a one script. I think yesterday I didn't take any session for the Azure batch. See, how many things you know as of now in this area? You know clear host. You don't know these right hyphen host. This is a commandlet. Some commandlet selecting properties. Is it clear about FT?
Filter.
No, no. FT means table format.
Yeah, it's stable.
Table format. Then after equal operator we know, and this is related to data types. Data types. Loops concept. See, it will give to you keys information. So simple one. See, we will see, sir. This level usually you will get the subject when we enter the scripting. I'm not saying end of the training, even middle of the training only you will get this type of ability. So thank you all. I will stop here, and next we will see the variables and data types on Monday session, sir. Monday session, and be ready, sir. One fact: I'm going to take these sessions on Saturday. Every Saturday evening, only evening, I'm going to take the sessions. Like there is no problem to you. Why? Because sessions like 7:30 to 9:30, morning and evening batch, both together I will take the sessions on Saturday, only Saturday. So these 5 hours plus 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, that will be easy to complete the training on or before. April 10th, I'm making as a target. When we enter to the scripting, sir, everything is easy, but daily practice is required. That is the thing. But I will inform to you before 1 to 2 days before going to take the session on Saturdays. I will inform to you, and I will share to you week